Hi guys. So I am starting my series back up again and I'm going to be doing a few random how-tos on things. Going to be offering these for free because well, I feel like I am mush and have taught myself too much that I can't hold it in here anymore and I just got to share it. Um I have decided after helping a few individuals learn how to do some basic things that now I'm just like, wow, I don't even remember when I didn't know how to do that. So some of the basic things would be like saving an image as a PNG in a PowerPoint or even creating um, a banner for your quote box in your teacher pay teacher shop. So that is actually what I have up here. Hopefully it's showing. If it's not, then oopsie. So first of all, if I switch that, it may ditch it off, but maybe it won't. So I'm going to show you this right here. These are some of the cover pages I've been working on redoing throughout the summer, and I literally made one big file and I just kept building them from, um, what do you call that? Why am I wordless here? I kept building them from templates. Templates, dear, nah. Okay, so while doing that, some of them, for example, like this one, whatever, whichever one, I save them as PNGs because I upload them to Teachers by Teachers as a new 12 by 12 image for my main product cover. The squares look amazing. Don't do the 8.5 by 11s. They look tiny and junky and they don't draw attention. Okay. So when I do that, I go to File, Export, and give it a name. Da 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 da. And you're going to go down here and you're going to hit PNG. Put it where you want the thing to be. I'm not going to rename it. I'm just simply showing you. Now here, you can save every slide as a PNG or you can just save the current slide. Where I have one big giant template file, it's 40 slides right now. I save the current slide only that I'm working on because most of the time I've already saved all the other ones as I've gone and uploaded them to Teacher Pay Teachers. So save current slide only, export. Now this little guy has been turned into a PNG. You can go to your Teacher Pay Teacher shop and you can upload him, okay, as a fresh cover. That is also how I do my, I'm telling a joke here. Most times I do my thumbnails quite similar in the 12 by 12, but sometimes if I'm in a super big hurry and I'm editing something that's not like an amazing bestseller, I will literally export the images from the PDF file that I upload into the product area. You may not have a clue what I'm talking about right now if you're a fresh seller, but if you're a experienced gal or guy, you know what I'm talking about. And those will be 8.5 by 11s, but you always want your main one to be a 12 by 12. Square. I say square because it's going to pop. All right, so I hope that helps you guys out. I'm excited to be rolling my series a little bit again. I've had a busy, busy summer updating my shop and working for a few other sellers. See ya.